Lights are lit and there's sweat on your embrace. One other thing I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Another dare. Lights are lit and there's sweat on your embrace. One other thing I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Another dare. One other thing I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Another dare. Another dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Another dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Another dare. Lights are out and there's sweat on your embrace. One other thing I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Another dare. Lights are out and there's sweat on your embrace. One other thing I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Another dare. Lights are out and there's sweat on your embrace. One other thing I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Another dare. One other thing I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Another dare.
Now, can you hear me? In theory now, it should be okay. This might really bad, eh? Okay guys, now can you hear me? Not yet. It's telling me to put the mic into my mouth. I need to type, man. Okay, maybe like this. Okay. Right now? Maybe better. Let me know, guys, if you can hear me. I will say yes. You should be able to hear me now. Yeah. Sound, it's okay? Can we start? Doing some coding or not? The music a little bit loud. Maybe like this, David? Well, guys, welcome everyone. Let me show you my Luigi Mac before I start. Drinking some coffee. So let's start coding something. Okay, let's go for it. First of all, what are we going to do today? Usually, in every... David's telling me a little bit down the music, just a sec. Maybe like this. Okay. Sorry guys, it's the first time using this new mic, so it's taking me a little while to get this all set up. Okay, so what are we going to do today? Just quick. Usually in all game development teams, there is this annoying guy called the designer, you know, and they always want to do these kind of fancy things. No, but we can try that. I need to do this without your help. Blah 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 blah. He's telling me that the chat is not working. But for you, for everyone, what? Let me put some message in the chat. Chat is not on the OBS. Okay, I think without chat will do today. Okay, no chat today. What I need before we start. Unfortunately, no chat today. I will keep an eye on the real chat. So, in every team, as I was saying, there is this annoying guy, the designer, you know, that they always want to try new things and they want to have full flexibility. You know, they put something on the scene and then a lot of fancy things happen. They can play with it, then they're happy. So David, what is on the chat, I think, asked me that he will need to our game. Just let me show you, so I can much better explain. Our game works in a way that there are 4 cameras, 2 for the right side, 2 for the left side, and they scroll at different speeds, because there is one rendering all the background, and there is another one rendering the enemies, the bullets, and everything, as you can see here. So right now there is one camera rendering the enemy that is shooting my ship, and there is another camera in the back, let's say, rendering the background. So as you can see, this is pretty flat, so it goes let's say I don't remember the number now, but scroll speed, and it goes like that for the whole level. Of course, as a game designer, that brilliant mind, they always want to do something different, doesn't? So they would like to accelerate and decelerate the cameras depending on what is going on in the level at that point in time. Of course, he can tell me okay, Alejandro, at that point in the level I would like to go at that speed, and at other point I would like to go at some other speed, but that will take a lot of time. So I will create today a small object that he can place in the scene, and he can place in the scene and decide what to do with it. So my idea is to create an object that he decides which camera will go at what speed in during how long. So let's say we are going at 100, and with that object that he will place, as soon as it collides with our cameras, he will decide, I want to go 60% of that speed, and I want to go between now and in the next second, up to this 60%, and stay there till I say so. So in order to do that, just let me start creating everything we are going to need. Sorry, some more coffee. Okay. Cameras, let's create a new script here. And I will call it, how we call it? Naming, eh? That's the difficult thing always. Let's say I'm not in my best day, I think, about naming. Let's call it camera speed, camera scroll, speed event. Okay, let's open it in Visual Studio so we can start working on it. Use our small engine. Okay. What edit will need? Okay, probably he would like to decide which camera he would like to adjust. So here in the camera manager, I'm gonna create a menu for him. Cameras. Let's call it cameras for the time being. It's gonna be background, player. And then just in case he wants to change only the one in the left, not in the right, background, left, background right, player left, and player right. Okay. I think camera manager, cameras, and just to make it clear for him, let's call the camera. Okay. So what's my idea? My idea is that we'll have a new element in our scene. So far, let's say put it right now with the power add. Of course, that will go there, but let's put it there now. So we'll create a new game object. Camera speed collider. And let's add our new script. What's the name? Sorry, just forgot the name. Okay. It's compiling. Just a sec. Now. So, what else we will need? A float input variable about the speed. Speed. About how long? And that's so. My idea basically is David will add this collider wherever he wants. He will come here and say, okay, I want to go 80%. Let's say 80% in about 2 seconds. So my idea is the camera is going at, let's say, 100. When it collides with this new element we are creating, the camera speed will change to 80 in this case in 2 seconds. So during these 2 seconds we'll go from 100 to 80, sorry. So we don't it's just going like this, you know, and it just don't jump, you know. So we would like to do it a little smooth. He will obviously select which camera. So okay. That's the key of our movement. Actually, this class I would like to redo it completely. It's quite old right now. Okay. Sorry, just need to remember how I did this like a long time ago. Okay, let's check on the scene. As you can see, this is a test scene. Don't get a little bit scared about all the objects we have on that scene. This is a scene that I'm using for my, let's say, test. So again, camera, background. start with the player ones that are much easier to get. This is okay. Public float. Let's say player camera left. Player cam left. It's big, a bit long. I don't like it. Okay. Okay. Oops. So, up to now, actually, our game was just scrolling both cameras at the same time. But as I said before, we like to do different scrolls for the different cameras. So I need to actually change this behavior. Camera scroll, and we need to detect if we are in the left one or the right one. Something on their way. Yes, it is. Yeah, we can. What is Unity for banana and potato? It's Unity, and in Unity you can choose either C# or JavaScript. We use. Let me write it in the in the chat. Okay. Well, maybe you can check the video later in YouTube. But today it's. Let me check. Yeah, the bandwidth should be okay. Hopefully. If someone is having trouble with the bandwidth, just let me know. I got lost. Whatever to do. Yeah. So we need to detect if that camera is on the left side or on the right side. As you can see in our game, it's a simple setup. Both cameras, left and right, have width 0.5. The only difference is where this camera starts. One starts at the left, and the other one starts in the middle of the screen. So just by knowing the viewport, we'll know if we are on the right or on the left side camera. I'm going to do that in the awake because this later will go on the loading process. so it just actually doesn't matter if it takes a little bit longer. Okay. Preview. Sorry. Well, is okay. Let me think. Component, camera, and viewport. Where the viewport? I needed the viewport, right? Yes, let me check on the Unity reference. I don't remember now the by heart the viewport Unity. How to get camera viewport. I put it here so we'll see it. Of course. Yeah, exactly. This is what we need. You see, guys? It's 0 to 1, and as we use here, it's 0 in this case and 0.5 in this case. So. Rect.x equals 0. Let me just okay. So equal 0 means 2, otherwise okay, here we are. Yes, let's do all of this here and we can perfect. And now same thing goes here. If it's left camera, and then we'll use the left scroll. Otherwise, yeah, to better reference, I'm gonna create a local copy. This, so we don't have to keep accessing camera manager. Same thing here, we just get this reference at the beginning so we don't keep accessing all the time. Hey, what's up, Danny? Hey, you actually can learn some coding here. And otherwise, by the way, guys, if some of you have some questions about the code, just ask me. And now in the camera manager, No. David is David's coding time is gone. Actually, I let him. I create a branch for him so he can have fun there, like a playground for him. Then when he says, "Look, Alejandro, what I done," yeah, I say, "Nice." He's just having dinner right now, actually. But I will tell him that he can code next week. But I try to, you know, to avoid this coding. He actually has a lot to do. Not only. Let me do the coding part. But sure thing. Next week is gonna be his time again. So if you want to see he coding, I hope not. Don't tell David. Don't tell David that I say that. It's just our secret, guys. Second. Yes. Well, he's not a programmer. That's why he's the game designer. He can code, but you know, the game, well, as you can see on the left side, it's growing and growing and growing, and we really need the code to be scalable, let's say, or that it can grow over time. He does things, they work, of course, they work and they do the things, but for now, maybe in 3 months we need to change something, and then the nightmare starts, and that's the thing. But yes, next week. Unique style, yeah. That's the best way to describe it. Unique. Let's say he has a unique. Okay. After making fun of my game designer, let's try to do some actual coding. But it's true, eh? So everything is good. So you are good at what you are. Like coding, he likes making the game fun to play. It's a good team up at the end. Here we are. Just to do as a test for the time being, and I will change this later. So to see that everything is working. But let's see that the game is not broken, and that we can continue on. And the game. What?
Born from the ashes. Born from the ashes. Born from the ashes. Born from the ashes. Born from the ashes.
A second, guys.
Born from the. You can't suffocate my spirit. 'Cause I'm the king on my own throne.
This is also using this script. You see, guys, we were having fun. This is what happens when you let the artists, game designers, and so start the scripting and do this kind of thing. Let me. I'm gonna show it to you. Well, let's say we have this particle system, what is the fog of the clouds, what the Max or artists call it. But they are also passing by in front of the camera all the time, and they also have a speed. And apparently, Max decided that it was a good idea to use the same script as for the camera. But I'm gonna solve that quickly. Let me go to Unity Explorer better. Yeah, exactly. The thing is, I thought that this script was being only used in the cameras and actually in the player or enemy's cameras. But Max needed a script to do some scrolling at the same speed, so he just decided to use reuse the same script. And for that, I'm gonna have to create a new one and try to separate the things. So let's create one quickly. The thing is, I'm gonna really change the camera's behavior right now. So probably Max would like to keep it as he was doing it before, but I think all the speedy thing, I'm not so sure if he would like to attach it to these clouds. But actually probably yes. That's a good point. Let me just write it down, because I will have to ask him tomorrow. Just a second, guys. You can see, even if I'm an IT guy, I have my notebook where I write stuff so I don't forget. Just a second. Okay. So coming back to our little problem. We check this is right background and the camera the left side and then scan is what? Yes, second guys. Same thing here. It's all these artist touching things. Okay, the tag will do for now. I don't like this solution, but for now I'm gonna use the tag. Let's do this. Till Max tell me what he wants to do with the fog scroll speed. Exactly, that's the thing. I don't trust either artists or game designers or anyone. No, just kidding. But that's the thing, they do the things quick and dirty. It works for now, but later on in time, for sure, you will end up with some problems. Or so. We are using the colliders. This is this is really dirty, guys. So forget what I'm doing right now. But we would like to make it work. Clouds left, clouds right. Name contains. Artist. And get designers. Right. Let's go. That's an approach. Yeah. Sorry, let's see the port. Okay. So let's see if we fix this little problem. At least for now. Yeah. You see what I meant? This I don't know if the stream you can appreciate it, but there is this kind of fog going on just in front of everything, and that's the thing we change. Okay. So. Hey Max, I was talking about you. Actually, I have a question for you. It's about the focus and the speed, because David wants to change the camera speed. Do you want the clouds? You can see here. Change the same speed. Okay, I will ask David. The code breaker, yeah, the code breaker is here. I will ask David about what he thinks. For the time being, I just did something quick and dirty. So he will decide what to do in this case. You want to decide? We are gonna change. Well, it's not a problem. We are gonna change the camera speed. And my question is, do you want the fog of the clouds to go at the same speed as the camera, so go slow or faster, or just keep it same speed all the time? But don't worry, guys, we can discuss this later. Okay. But I don't understand. Don't worry, Max. We'll sort it out later. Because I don't understand why are you moving this cloud and not this one. But anyway, we'll sort it out later. No worries. But right now, the camera is not scrolling actually. show myself the values. Don't worry about that, Max. I also have to almost redo all the camera thing to include the parallax and the planet's movement that we disable at some point. So don't worry, Max. We'll have a look later. But at least let's give the David the power to change the camera speed.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. Raise my hand to the fire.
It's a Latino accent, you know? Latin lover, all the kind of things.
From shining through,
Oye, muchacha.
baby, let the light shine through.
Okay, let me concentrate for a second.
Baby, won't you let the light shine through for you?
Arriba, arriba, arriba. Okay, the scroll starts. And we'll start moving.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop
My bad, guys, my bad. No.
it's true, baby, let the light
Now it should work.
if you believe.
Well, it should work. Right now it's gonna be doing the same as it was doing like half an hour ago. Oh yeah. But at least now we can change the... Yeah. We can change the speed. So... I created something here with the power-ups, camera scroll collider. Let's call it the cam speed collider. Bah, let's call it collider. Let's change the player left to camera to 0.5, so 50% speed for over 2 seconds. Hey David, we were talking about you, actually, and how you destroy the code and let you code in some weird branch so you don't destroy anything, the kind of things, you know. Yeah, and try to we actually gonna be box collider. Yeah, David, stop breaking the code. It takes a long time to fix it, eh? Yeah, David too, like breaking things. Let's make it big. Okay. And let's put it in. Let's make that 200. God monkey work. Yeah. Let's go. So now before we go to the push for it. Go this function. Try harder. Yeah, I'm already programming the third game right now, baby. Jack is back. Yeah, try harder could be a nice name, eh? And guys, I got lost for a second. Enemies. Oof, this music is killing me right now. It's a little too strong, the music right now. Okay. It's like more party, you know? Yeah, this is the 40 definition of it. Yeah, also like a rave, but not while I'm programming. I'm trying to do some copy paste. That's my life. All the time copy pasting. There is telling me that the music is too loud. But I didn't change the music or anything, eh? It's the same setup as when you left. Folandro. You haven't heard of Folandro? Just let me show you. Just a second. Here we are, Folandro. Let's put it there for the rest of the streaming today. Oh yeah. Folandro's back. So now let's continue. But guys, you are distracting me, eh? Then there is no collider, there is no colliders anymore. I actually can do that split. I don't know if you believe me, but send it back a bit. Not even send it back. So it's behind. Leave it there. So for next day, I'm gonna try to create my own. Hey Eric. So what do we want to do when this happens? Now, yes. I'm trying to keep my mind out of the party mode, but with this music. Come on, guys. What do you want to do when this happens? Okay, for now, actually, what I'm gonna do is I think for the music channel we are using, it's rave time. So probably, David, we need to do the this kind of rave parties every week from now on. This is the one I want to do. So, I like that code. Definitely. Well, that's a thing we should add into our code. For the ones that will see this later, this is the code we are talking about. That will include in our application. So David won't be able to play. So any David friends won't be able to play Dimension Dive. We don't like him anymore. Let's keep it there. So just as a reminder for later. Okay. Let me do this quick and dirty. Yeah, but I will try to obfuscate the code. And remember who does the build. This actually goes there. So we want to get I know. I didn't want to put his real Steam name here, but I know. That would be fun. Anyone in the team won't be able to play the game on Steam. Not original speed. Actually, here, just in case, because David is sometimes he doesn't remember. This lower than 0. It is bigger than 0, sorry. Otherwise, just in case David, instead of putting 0.8, puts 80 as a 80%. But don't add David on Steam. From now on, all the games will add this extra line of code. Okay. For now, what I'm gonna do is to change this with any. Okay, let me try this. Here, player left, 0.5, 2. So colliding. And let me new speed here. Quick. Okay, let's try this. Hey David, we don't want to be your friend in Steam. No. Sorry guys. No, I'm gonna die. I feel like now the code is going out of my fingers, eh? Okay, new speed 30. Remember, David, if you accept new friends in Steam, they won't be able to play Dimension Drive, so you need to choose there, eh? They're full. Okay, guys, let's finish this. Come on.
There is a beacon in the night, found in the temple of our life, showing us visions of the future. So many faces left to find, down in the caverns of our mind. Need you to follow me deeper. I will do anything just to make you see. Don't apologize for what's in your dreams. Maybe this time we'll be different. It's only us. It's only us. It's only us
Okay. I think I'm getting 2 times the same collision. Okay, getting some problems with the collisions. So the race style, it's back. Sorry guys, my bad. No. Don't show me the food, David, because I'm quite hungry right now. Come on. Who's Catan, guys? Yeah, minority, David. What do you mean? Okay. This. What is going on? Let's check this value here. A second.
Hanging by a thread, hung up on all the words you said, breaking free from this conformity that you force on me. Everything I do is one big show. It's about damn time.
Yeah, me too, guys. Gonna have some dinner and try to solve this problem later. But in 2 weeks' time, when it's my time again, I will show you how actually it looks like the scroll feature that we are implementing now. Yeah, I think I will call it the night. I'm still thinking about this problem. Okay, now the scroll is 0, yeah, that's right. Now the scroll is what? It's 30. Good. Let me finish, it's left. Okay. Why this doesn't want to work? So we'll show this is 0.30, but when it gets to the come on guys, dimension drive and making itself, huh? Okay. Me. Okay. Did it save? No. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, I think guys I'm gonna have dinner first and then continue afterwards because now a little bit don't understand what is actually going on. So guys, thank you for watching, sorry, no, watching. And in 2 weeks time, when it's my time again, I will show you the results of this camera scrolling thing or feature that we implemented so David can make the backgrounds and everything go at different speeds. So thank you, bye bye.